Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of receiving follow requests on Instagram and want to put a stop to them, you're in the right place. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Let's get started. First things first, open your Instagram app and make sure you're logged in. Now, let's dive into the steps. Go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. Now tap on Account Privacy. Here you'll see an option to switch your account to private. Toggle the switch to make your account private. This way only people you approve can follow you. And there you have it, your account is now private, which means you won't get follow requests from random people. Only the people you approve can follow you from now on. But wait, what if you want to stop follow requests without making your account private? I've got a tip for that too. To do that, simply go back and find Connections. And then select Followers. Here you see a list of your current followers. Tap on the three dots next to any follower you want to remove and select Remove. Or here you can simply go back to your profile and tap on Follower, and here you can see the Remove option. In this way you can remove any unwanted follower you have on your account. And that's it. You know how to stop follow requests on Instagram, whether you want to make your account private or manage your followers more selectively. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.